Hunger remains one of humanity's greatest challenges.
Too many of us believe that handing out food to poor, struggling people will fill their need and end their hunger. Resources are minimal, space too often dreary and inadequate, and they rely heavily on highly processed corporate leftovers. The numbers of people unable to put food on their table continues to grow at an alarming rate.
We now know that the single sector most responsible for nearly all aspects of our unsustainability combined, or what I call global depletion, is that of animal agriculture, the meat, dairy, and fishing industries. Over 3 billion tons of grain were produced last year in the world, but nearly half of that was given to animals in the meat and dairy industries. We can't blame, therefore, climate change, droughts, or flooding for the world's food security issues. Just during the past 1 hour, over 8 million domesticated land animals were slaughtered. Over 200 million sea animals were caught and killed for us to eat. And 114,000 tons of grain were fed to livestock we're still raising. But during that same 1 hour, over 350 children in the world died from starvation. These numbers should be zero.
When we're talking about food being thrown away, we're not talking about rotten stuff. We're not talking about stuff that's beyond the pale. We're talking about good, fresh food that is being wasted on a colossal scale. The fact is, we have an enormous buffer in rich countries between ourselves and hunger. For the sake of our children, for the sake of all the other organisms that share our planet with us, we are a terrestrial animal and we depend on our land for food. At the moment, we are trashing our land to grow food that no one eats. Stop wasting food.